Is microphone icon missing from your keyboard or the dictation feature isn't working on your iPhone? It can be frustrating, especially if you rely on voice to text for quick messaging or notes. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Enable dictation or microphone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Keyboard, toggle on Enable Dictation. If it's already on, toggle it off, then back on. Solution 2. Check for restrictions. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure restrictions disable content and privacy restrictions. Solution 3. Check Siri and search settings. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Siri and search. Ensure Listen to for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri are enabled. After that, reset your iPhone, reset Keyboard Dictionary, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. By following these steps, you should be able to restore microphone icon and get the dictation feature working on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.